No, sir. No, sir. Yeah, tell me to hurry up. Hurry up. And then when me reach now, you know the pan spot and I go tell me, say, for wait. Wait. No song you no sing, so. To be honest, me not today I realize. Say all along, every time I drink dragon stout, spitfire, me come alive. They eat turn up. Why? You know say, thing I do a lot for me for cho. You wait till I go in. You watch me and cookie, so for true. I go and deal with it wicked and say, watch if it cho. Dragon spit fire. Watch me and cookie. Just one of those days. Just one of those days. Pops. 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 Man sleep dead, man. Pops. Yo. Pops. Okay. Cook. Okay.
Hey. What? Skinny, what are you doing? No.
I'm there. I'm ready.
What's all of this for? You've been drinking dragon again?
Ready.
Ready for what?
We're
Ready
talking.
for what, Skinny?
Ready, B.
Skinny. Skinny.
Come on. Let's go.
I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well.
You're serious? Or are you joking?
I'm not joking. No. You might see me laughing, but I'm serious.
Come on, babe.
I'm not feeling...
What are you talking
I'm not
about?
feeling
You're joking.
well.
Stop joking around.
You're the
I'm
one
ready.
who's joking. Ready for what?
I'm
Ready for what? Skinny, come. I said I'm not feeling well. This is for another day. I'm not feeling well.
Cookie, a joke you're making, man.
I'm telling you the truth, baby. I'm not feeling well.
Joke you make, man. So, with all of them power and strength that me have right now, I already know, so for true, you gotta tell me, say, a joke you make.
So why didn't you tell me before you drink the dragon? And you
pranking.
know what dragon do
Stop
to you.
the
Why
pranking.
didn't you tell me? Huh?
What?
Why didn't you tell me? You know what dragon can do, so why didn't you tell me? Huh? I'm not feeling well. I didn't tell you to go and drink any dragon.
Where's the camera?
Sorry.
Where's the camera?
You say I see you take everything for a joke, Skinny.
Me take for joke,
Okay.
you take for joke. Where camera? Where put
I'm
the
not
camera?
even
Come on.
I'm not even gonna laugh at you. Let me come here. Get my I said, are you deaf? Huh?
A joke you make. Cookie, stop ramping.
Which ramping, Skinny? I said I'm not feeling well. What do you want me to do?
It's come like a style thing for true, you know. After me drink up dragon, I'm ready like
You
a
have a body
stallion.
that work off of it one, right? Because when I'm ready for you, I can never get anything. And then you come in when I'm not feeling well and they expect me to be ready. I should always be ready for you, Skinny. Well, guess what? I'm feeling sick. I'm not feeling well. So let's see what's gonna happen.
Everything good.
No
man.
one told you to drink any
Normal,
dragon.
normal pray for true.
No one told you to drink any form of dragon. Tande. Blue balls. Blue balls. Me never said I go drink no dragon. Right? Blue balls. And you today. No, you go work that out. Now nothing at all to do with me.
The voice.
Chase, to chase man and cinnamon. China. I don't know if she'll come and work, but she at least call and say she not come and work, you know. All she have to do is call and say she not come and work.
You have reached the voicemail box of
Tracy, where you going, you know. Jano. Life and fear, you know. From when me not get nothing, man. Oi, sir. Yo. Oi,
Good
sir.
morning, Papa. You can't the animal, man.
Yo, which animal? Animal there? Eh? Yeah, I pay for sleep.
No, sir.
Man, get up and go up my out. I'm tell you. You come pa man up, boy, you sleep. You think I say go?
Just look.
You rummage these edges them around the garden there already?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir, no sir?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes,
Eh?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes sir, yes, man, you think I pay if you come sleep on them money. I'm tear my out. Man, go work my out.
Alright, sir. Alright, sir. Sorry about that, sir.
I'm tear my out.
Sorry about that. Sorry about
No
that.
hard man have work for money. Man
Sorry
come
about that,
I
sorry about that.
sleep on man.
Boss,
But
sorry.
it ain't easy.
Sorry about that, boss. I never purpose, sir. Never purpose.
Get to work, man.
Sorry about that, brother.
So come on you turn man. That's why I'm forward bound and work and sleep and then when pay day you know and collect pay. But no
Water,
easy.
me water, you plant them now, sir. Sorry about that, sir. I never gonna have me
Easy.
again, bossy. Respect, you know. Respect, sir. Sorry
Make
about
that
that.
up me again now.
No, have me again, sir.
That me I tell her. So for sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Make sure. Out harder. Bright. And facey.
Can't be so make man catch me asleep when I walk to blood. So, yeah. Alright. Now see me asleep, that's all. Now to sleep, that's all. Wait, man, I soon suit. Take to your girlfriend, hi, boy.
Girl, child. I think I get. I get. Yeah, pops.
Say you still not hear from Chase or no?
No, sir. No, sir, I call her for mine, pops, and now I get time. I don't know what happened to her phone. No, what happened to her phone, pops, from morning.
I wonder if something happened to her.
Boy, probably me, I hope not. No, I nothing to her, pops. I hope not, nothing to her, you know.
you have reached the voicemail.
See, it's still I get voicemail.
So this about before?
No, sir. She always come and rap, man.
So Cookie.
Yes, Pop?
Yo, you still haven't hear from Chasey?
You have reached
You
the
still haven't hear from Chasey?
No, it doesn't seem she's coming. She's not needed here anyway, Dad.
What, you gonna start doing all the work then?
We can always hire another maid.
Still.
the voicemail box.
Just see if you can find a way to get to Chasey, cause I don't know what's going on.
Between me and her pops, to be honest, I don't want nothing to her. Cause Me genuinely like her, not like her, but she cool and she always do her work and she there and she just, she just bring a vibe and nice. It's relaxing sensation. Meanwhile, me just more time I wonder Pops, she just there Pops and and it's like Pops, it's like she have this vibrant appearance where, make it sometimes she captivate me, Pops, I feel like say me like, like a meds kind of way there, but it's not like me a meds way there. It's like we just see where she she just make the place feel different. Probably make me feel different, as a man. She should help her, Pop. Me understand that, but I mean, she just have this vibrant. And say right when I say family, it's like, the right type of people. It's just a yard boy still, me not really approve as the family, like a member of the family. But me I tell her, she has a maid Pop. Me feel like say, she for there, Pops, like she just general Pops. Me just not know if explain it, Pops. But if me call her and I get her, I have to go find out where she live, Pops. Is it? So me don't know, I have to get her back in the place, Pops. Get her back in the place. Tracy vibes us right, man, and just, connected. Just captivate one kind of way, true. Pops, me I think. Pops. Tracy, man, I like her, man. Nice looking young girl, no? Just, yeah. True. Yeah, man, probably go search, yeah. Tomorrow she might come and work, man, sure. I kill up myself and just one day. So, one day come like a 1 month though.
Oh, why are they bombers?
You mean by me I do it? What one curious thing, wow.
Yo, man, I work on it, man. That's easy, no, man. Give me some time, no, man.
Yeah, I work on it, you go a long time time you can't come up with the rest of the thing.
Yo, me don't tell you say me I work on the thing, but man, just give me some more time, no, man. I move so me,
Yo,
now me cousin, no, man.
Listen to me now, man. Right now, time I expire, brother. Time I cut down shorter, brother. You see me?
Yo, me I work
So
on the
when me
thing,
can,
man.
yeah, work on it.
Yeah, man, me I work on it,
But
man. Know yourself.
you know thing when you can't come up with it. When you can't come up with it, more want it, you need it, boss, you need it right now.
Yo, me can't tell you say I go get it tomorrow when tomorrow fall, you know, get the thing. Me just want to know say me I work on it, and when me work on it, and you just get it when me do so.
Yo, brother. So, brother. But you worry about the money, brother.
Yo, remember say we are family, you know, man. Don't know yourself, man. Me I work on it, man.
Yeah, what you mean by family? You ever know that before you play with bossy thing.
Yo,
Eh?
man. Just easy, no, man. We are move so, man.
Listen up, yo, me don't tell you already, man. You can't mix family and business together, brother.
Yo, I just want to learn daily, man. Just easy, man. Give me some time. Yeah, we can't bother with this, man. Just a call and phone and thing. But bossy money. Yo, no, me I go do, man. No, me I go do. Go on, like him tough.